If you are someone who is interested in the world of finance and investment, then you would have surely come across this guy named Warren Buffett. He is currently the 8th richest person on planet Earth with wealth of more than $100 billion. So that's more than 7.5 lakh crore rupees. That's more than the wealth of Mukesh Ambani, who is the richest person in India. But do you know, when did Warren Buffett become a billionaire? He became a billionaire at the age of 55. And guess what? He started his investment journey at the age of 11. So it took him 44 years to become a billionaire, and he created more than 99% of his wealth after the age of 55. Do you know what was his investment secret? So one day Amazon chief Mr. Jeff Besos asked him, "Warren, your investment thesis is so simple yet so effective. Why doesn't everyone just copy you?" Warren Buffett replied, "Because nobody wants to get rich slow." So those of you who have started investing recently and thinking of multi-bagger returns in no time, the biggest lesson from Warren Buffett is to keep patience and remain invested and let the power of compounding work its magic.